Hello everyone, my name is Vikyat and I am from section 12. My roll number is 21CS10028. Today I will be presenting my second DIY assignment in which I have created the password based automatic door lock using Tinkercad. First let us take a look at the components which are used in order to create the door lock. To create the door lock I have used the Arduino Uno and LCD displayer and two resistors which are connected to LCD displayer and a keypad in which user enters the password, and a servo motor which controls the position of the door. Now let us take a look at how the door lock works. Once you start the simulation, it will show an opening message, after which it will ask us to enter the password. Initially the door will be in closed position and I have set the key as 1234, which of course can be changed by changing the code internally. Now let us enter the correct password and check what happens. As you can see, it will show a message door is open and the motor will be rotated so that the door will be opened, after which it will display a message please enter, and next it will display a message time is up and the door will be locked. As you can see, the motor will be rotated back again and the door will be locked. It will again ask us to enter the password. In case if you enter the wrong password, suppose 145, it will display a message wrong password and it will again ask us to enter the password. As you can all notice that in case of the wrong password, the motor has not rotated and the door is remained closed. Now let us take a look at how the code actually works. I have used the three library functions, the keypad.h to control the keypad, the liquidcrystal.h to control the LCD, and servo.h to control the servo motor. After which I have used two variables in which one of them is master key which contains the actual password and one of them is an array in which user input data is saved. And then I have created two more variables. If the door is false, it means door is in closed position and the jar of custom key is the user input of the password. And then I have created a code for preparing the keypad in which I have used the 4x4 array and then I have copied the characters which can be seen from here. After creating the code for keypad, I have moved on to the main program in which we will attach the servo which is in closed position and then we will begin the LCD. It will display a message protected door and loading. Now let us come to the loop part of the code in which it will ask us to enter the password by setting the cursor at 0, 0, and this part of the code will compare the user input with master key. If both user input and master key are equal, the LCD will be cleared and the servo will be opened so that the door is opened. After some time it will display a message please enter, and after some time the door will be locked and servo will be closed. If the user enters the wrong password, it will display a message wrong password and then ask user to enter password again. Lastly, I define the four functions in which servo close and servo open define the door position, and one of them is clear data so that if the user input the wrong password, it will clear the data and again ask user to enter a new password. And finally, last one is the loading message which will display the dots when the simulation is started. Now let us take a look at the code in Arduino. Now I'll put the code in Arduino. Let us compile and check if the code will actually work or not. It will take some time too. As you can see, the code is successfully compiled without any mistakes. Thank you.